1994 56-foot houseboat, all aluminum built. Coming in on board. First look at it. Got two engines inboards with ZF controls on both stations. Pretty much emptied out. Living room area. Here's the kitchen. Everything must go.
I'm not sure for her boat. For me, I'm in a 38-foot slip, and I pay $820 a month for everything: water, sewer, garbage, everything. So for her, probably it was up around 15. So the slip doesn't go with the boat. So
Somebody did that. Important thing to remember about fixing boats, repairing boats, restoring boats, as it never goes as planned. So sometimes you get a project and you're all happy and excited about it, and then, you know, it turns onto what a normal human being would look at and say, well, that's a fucking nightmare. Well, this is what I'm dealing with here. So here it is. Good morning.
Good morning.
Looking good.
Oh, very.
Oh yeah. I love it. All this stuff came from here too?
No,
This is yours too. Yeah, I didn't film a little bit of it just to document the process. I'll make a movie.
No
I'll make a movie. You guys are gonna be famous.
No problem.
Looking good. Here's my next task. First of all, cleaning and removing this. Then after that, removing the floor panel. Couple floor panels.